Hi, in this tutorial, I'll talk about how to set a locale or a language of a edge delivery services website. Let's say I have two websites, one for the English and one for the French. So on a language website, let's say on French language page, I need to take some action based on the language. For example, on French page, I need to load French content. So to take some action, I need to identify the language of that particular page. So what would I do to identify the language of page? I would add a metadata called locale to EN for the English and FR for the French website. And how do I do that? So this is just an extension to tutorial number 10 of this series. If you did not see that, please go back and watch that tutorial. Only then you would be able to understand what I'm trying to explain here. This tutorial is just a pre-work for the next tutorial where I would explain placeholders. So to add this locale or language to websites in edge delivery services, I will use a concept called metadata or bulk metadata. I have already explained about metadata and bulk metadata in detail in tutorial number 10. So please watch that. Only then you would be able to understand. So what I do, I create a spreadsheet called metadata in root, and inside that I will add two entries to add locale in those websites. I have already explained this in detail. Please go back and check that. So if you see the content of my website, I have two folders or two, let's say, directories, EN and FR. Inside these, I created all the content related to that particular language websites. EN, English, inside this, French, there. So what would I do? I create a metadata sheet, spreadsheet called metadata. Inside that sheet, I add a URL. That if you see the header of this column is URL. Here I'm adding a pattern here. What I'm saying, if path contain EN and after EN whatever it is, it could be anything there. Add a locale. If you see the second column, this header is locale. So this would be the name of that metadata. Okay, name of metadata, and here the value of that metadata. So what happened, for all the pages under this folder EN, it will add locale and the value would be in EN, right? It would add again another metadata called language and value would be EN. For all the pages under FR, it will add locale is equal to FR and language is equal to French. I would not use this, just to show you, right? This is just to show you. I would use this in next tutorial. Okay, let's publish this and see where this metadata get added. Once you publish, you will see that metadata like this. So this has been added. Now let's see, there's a two pages called carousel inside French, and there is another carousel inside English. So let me publish these two pages. So I have published those pages, and if you see, this is carousel under EN and this carousel under FR. So let's say the metadata added. Okay, I do the F12 and go to head, and you should have, you see this metadata. Okay, metadata name is equal to locale and content is equal to FR. Language is French. Okay, so this is because this is under FR. If I see the another page, and let me refresh this once, and okay, if I go here, and it should say locale is equal to EN and language is equal to English. Okay, this was just an example. You can add anything here as per your need. So we would use these two in next tutorial. I would explain placeholders, and for placeholders, I need this identifier. Okay. If you did not see the tutorial number 10, again, I'm stressing on this because I explained this concept in detail in tutorial number 10 in same series. Please watch that. If you have any question, please add your comment. Thank you.